Welcome back! Today, we're diving into notebook instances. They're like digital notebooks where we write and run our code. Think of it as your personal workspace in the cloud for building and testing machine learning models. Let's explore how to set it up.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is another set of video. In previous video we have seen that we can get data from Kaggle or other free resources. That was loan data. We did some data cleaning. After that we did some feature engineering using our Jupyter notebook. Then we also employed some machine learning model in our local machine using Jupyter notebook and Python. But the whole idea for this YouTube video series is to make a web application. The beauty what you can see in this video series that using this Amazon SageMaker we can do everything automated. Okay, so why Amazon SageMaker? So Amazon SageMaker is managed service. Okay, this is a managed service in public cloud. It provides good tools to build, train, and deploy machine learning model for predictive analytics application. So in order to start working on this SageMaker, what we can do, we can go in console and we can type here SageMaker. So we are already here, we can just click it. So we can reach in that page, SageMaker, okay? Or we can just go to our dashboard and we can get this SageMaker information, and from there we can come in this web page. Now, before we start working on our notebook, what we need to do, we need to set up a domain. So domain setup, it's very straightforward. I'll put a link for different YouTube video where we can set up a domains. Once our domain setup process is complete, what we can do, we can create a notebook instance. But remember, this SageMaker is managed service. That means we need to pay for our use. If we are creating notebook instance, that means they'll count for their timing, how long you are using, what type of resources you are using, how much memory we are consuming, how much endpoint we are deploying. So all these things count and it will come in our bill. So we need to be very careful. Okay, so let us make a notebook instance. So for that, just come here and we can just click here notebook instances. So I already have a couple of notebook instances here, but what we can do, we can create a new notebook for this project. So just click it here, create notebook instance. Okay, we can put any decent name. Okay, platform identified Amazon Linux Jupyter Lab 3. I'll put it as it is, and then I'll put enable give root access to the notebook, give users root access to the note. I'll just don't put everything as it is, and then we can just create notebook instance. Okay, and you can see that it will take some time. It is saying pending. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, so we can see that our notebook, this particular notebook is in service. The status, you can see it is in service. So what we can do here, we can open Jupyter. So what it's going to do, we'll see a page which is very similar what we can see in using Anaconda environment. So just click it, open Jupyter. We are directing you to our Jupyter environment, and here we can see notebook list is empty. Here we can create a new. So there are different options, but what we are going to use, we are going to use Conda Python 3. So just click here. And here we can see that we got a very similar page what we can see in Anaconda using Jupyter. Okay, so this is more or same, and from here onward we'll start making our model. Okay, so I'll see you in next part.